Have you ever wondered if Trello, the popular project management tool, actually makes money? It seems like a simple question, but the answer is surprisingly complex. Let's dive into it together. Trello was founded in 2010 as a simple visual way to organize tasks. It quickly gained popularity among individuals and teams, and eventually became a part of the Atlassian suite of tools. But does this popularity translate into profit? The business model, freemium. Trello primarily uses a freemium business model. This means there's a basic version that's free to use, but there are also paid tiers with additional features and benefits. Free tier, the free version offers core features like creating boards, lists, and cards. It's a great way for individuals and small teams to get started with project management. Paid tiers. Trello offers two paid tiers, Business Class and Enterprise. These tiers include features like advanced search, custom backgrounds, and integrations with other tools. They also offer additional security and compliance features for larger organizations. Revenue streams. Trello's revenue primarily comes from subscriptions to its paid tiers. However, there are a few other factors that contribute to its revenue. Atlassian ecosystem. As part of the Atlassian suite of tools, Trello benefits from the company's broader ecosystem. This includes integrations with other Atlassian products like Jira and Confluence, which can drive additional sales. Enterprise deals. Trello also has a significant focus on enterprise deals. These deals often involve large organizations that require custom solutions and support. Marketplace. Trello has a marketplace where users can find and purchase third-party apps and integrations. This can generate revenue for both Trello and the developers of these apps. The profitability question. While Trello's business model seems solid, the question of profitability is more nuanced. Growth. Trello has experienced significant growth in recent years. This growth has been fueled by both organic user acquisition and strategic partnerships. Competition. However, Trello faces competition from other project management tools like Asana, Monday.com, and Microsoft Project. These competitors offer similar features and pricing models, which can make it difficult for Trello to maintain its market share. Atlassian's finances. As part of Atlassian, Trello's financial performance is tied to the overall health of the company. While Atlassian has been profitable, the specific financial details of Trello are not publicly disclosed. The future of Trello. Despite the competitive landscape, Trello has a strong foundation and a loyal user base. The company is likely to continue investing in product development, partnerships, and enterprise sales. Product innovation. Trello can differentiate itself by introducing new features and integrations that cater to specific market segments. Partnerships. Strategic partnerships with other software companies can expand Trello's reach and offer additional value to its users. Enterprise focus. Continued focus on enterprise deals can provide a steady stream of revenue and help Trello compete with larger players in the market. So, does Trello make money? While the exact financial details are not publicly available, it's clear that Trello has a successful business model. The company's freemium approach, strong product, and strategic partnerships have contributed to its growth and profitability. As Trello continues to evolve and adapt to the changing market, its future looks promising. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.